Founded in 2001, Superior Waterproofing is the area's only full-service waterproofing company. Our services include new construction waterproofing, residential and commercial crack injection, bowed wall straightening, carbon fiber and I-beam reinforcement, interior drains, sump pumps, vapor barriers, insulation, downspout extensions, and more. We offer 3 different types of protection for your basement. So call 616-262-1160 or visit yourbasementspecialists.com for your free consultation.